by the end of this video, you should be able to sprint. So when you press shift, you start sprinting, let go back to walking. Hold up. Yep. Okay. Go into oh my goodness. Blueprints, person character. What you want to do is so add in left click or right click, search left, shift, just gonna drag that out. And then from that, or no, then you want to create a function right here, name it start sprinting. From start sprinting, hit character movement, drag out and set, type in here like this. Set max walk speed, almost like that one, and plug it into start sprinting. And yeah, set it to 300 or whatever you want. I set it to 300 because that was good for me. Create a variable, name it is sprinting, make it a boolean, and plug it into set max walk speed, and enable is sprinting. And then for stop sprinting, character movement, set max walk speed back to your original walk speed, and then I might have made a mistake. Set is sprinting. Yes, just set is sprinting. Leave it unchecked. Okay. Then in the animation blueprint, in the event graph, if you have a sequence, add a sequence pin. I know things are a bit messy, but this is what I want to focus on. Yeah. So you want to right click and try get pawn owner. You want to get it. From there, you want to drag out and get velocity. So what this does is it just determines how fast your character is moving. Then you want to get vector length. There it is. And then get a is greater. Okay. Greater than, and set it to 300 or I did 200 on, doesn't really matter, just above your walk speed. And then then you want to create another variable and call it is sprinting, make it a boolean. And then you want to drag out, plug it into your set is sprinting, and then you want to plug it into your sequence node. Hopefully that makes sense. Okay. And then you want to go to your animation graph, your state machine. Ignore all this. It'll either say like sprint or walk / run or whatever. Go to your walking thing and right or drag out from here again and add a blend poses by bool node, connect it into there, and then take your is sprinting variable, I don't know, boolean, and then plug it into the active value. And in your false pose, you want to have your, I think this is the walking animation, and in your true pose, you want to have the sprinting animation. Then when you sprint, and you press shift, you'll be able to sprint, stop. Yeah, I also have crouching, so if you want me to show that, I can. So when you walk in, you can't get in here, but then once you crouch, you go in. If you let go of control, it won't. It'll get back up and back. So yeah.